You watching Srikant Ideal Chemistry. In this video, we are discussing about resonance and resonance energy. First, we discussing about resonance. After, we discussing about resonance energy. What is meant by resonance? When two or more, when a molecule is represented by one or more Lewis structures and similar in all properties is known as resonating structures, and the combination of resonating structures is known as resonance hybrid, and the complete phenomenon is known as resonance. Once again listen, what is meant by resonance? When a molecule or ion is represented by more than one type of Lewis structures with similar in all properties is known as resonating structures, and the phenomenon is known as resonance. So see the definition. When a molecule or ion represented by more than one Lewis structure with a similar in all properties is known as resonating structures. Is known as resonating structures, and phenomenon or phenomena is known resonance. So this is about the definition of resonance, and all resonating structures which is depend with the resonance hybrid. The combination of all resonating structures is known as resonance hybrid. This is known as a resonance hybrid. So resonance is a hypothetical phenomenon, and the resonance of the compound molecule or ion is due to delocalization of pi electrons, or conjugation of pi electrons, or pi electrons negative charge, positive charge, or orbitals. And the concept of resonance can be stabilize the molecule. If number of resonating structures increase, the stability of molecules also increases. And the resonance is a permanent effect. If any molecule can show the resonance, it must be planar molecule. So see the some facts about resonance. It is a hypothetical phenomena, and the resonance is due to delocalization of pi electrons, conjugation. We call as a conjugation, and it stabilizes the molecule, and it is a permanent effect, and it should be planar structure. Okay, so here I just give an example for the resonance. I just take the benzene. The formula of benzene is C6H6. If you see the structure of benzene, the benzene can form two structures. Those are we call as canonical structures or resonating structures. So this is first structure. and this is second structure. These are the resonating structures, and the combination of these two resonating structures can be represented by like this. So we represent a ring in the center of the benzene. So the ring is indication of delocalization of pi electrons around all carbon atoms. So this is we call as a resonance hybrid. So due to showing of resonance of the compounds, if you see this benzene ring, so if you get the numbering, this is the first carbon, and this is second carbon, this is third carbon, fourth, fifth, sixth. If you observe the bond between in first carbon and second carbon, we have a double bond. In the second carbon and third carbon, we have single bond. The bond length of double bond is 1.34 angstroms, and bond length of single bond is 1.54 angstroms. Due to resonance, the bond angle of the bond length of carbon-carbon bond length in benzene, it is not more than 1.54 or not less than 1.34. I mean, due to resonance, the bond length of benzene can be changed between can be present between 1.54 angstroms to 1.34 angstroms. So if you see this, bond length of C1 to C2 carbon is 1.34 angstroms. It is double bond. At the same time, bond length of C2 to C3 is single bond. Its bond length is 1.54 angstroms. So due to resonance, the bond length of any the bond length between any two carbons is 1.39 angstroms. So this is the some effect of resonance, and this is about the resonance. Once again, see about the resonance. What is meant by resonance? When a molecule or ion is represented by more than one type of Lewis structures, we call as resonating structures, and the phenomenon is known as resonance. And all resonating structures, the combination of all resonating structures, we call as a resonance hybrid. So resonance, the concept of resonance is a hypothetical phenomenon, and the resonance is due to delocalization of pi electrons. In the other hand, we call as a conjugation, and the resonance can be stabilize the molecule, and it is a permanent effect. It should be planar structure. Due to resonance, the bond length can be changes. Okay, this is about the resonance, and next we are discussing about resonance energy. So the resonance is equal to the resonance energy is the difference between energy of most stable canonical structure to energy of resonance hybrid. What is resonance energy? Is a difference between energy of most stable canonical structure minus energy of resonance hybrid. Okay, this is the resonance energy. What is meant by resonance energy? It is a difference between energy of most stable canonical structure to energy of resonance hybrid. On the other hand, the resonance is taken as expected heat of resonance energy is a difference between expected heat of hydrogenation to actual heat of hydrogenation. It is a difference between accepted heat of hydrogenation to actual heat of hydrogenation. So these formula we get based on the theoretical definition, and this is based on calculation. Okay, and the resonance energy is always directly proportional to number of canonical structures. So if number of resonating structures increase, resonance energy increase. At the same time, if stability of the given molecule increase, resonance energy also increase. And the resonance energy is inversely proportional to reactivity of a molecule. Reactivity of a molecule. So resonance energy is directly proportional to number of canonical structures and directly proportional to stability of molecule and inversely proportional to reactivity of molecule. Inversely proportional to reactivity molecule. Here I just one thing, the resonance energy of benzene is 36 kilocalories per mole. It is very, very important in the bits. So resonance energy of benzene is 36 kilocalories per mole. So this is about the resonance and resonance energy. Next, what is meant by what is the reason for resonance energy? What we discussed. The reason for resonance is delocalization of pi electrons or conjugation of pi electrons or conjugation. So now I just want to discussing about types of conjugation to express the resonance. Types of conjugation. So here we have many type of conjugations. We will discuss one by one. So the first type of conjugation is conjugation between double bond and positive charge. What is conjugation between double bond and positive charge? So here I just give an example. That is CH2 double bond CH CH2. So plus, if these pi electrons are shifting towards here and the positive charge can be shifting towards these carbon, resulting we get the structure CH2 CH double bond CH2 and here positive charge. So these two are the resulting structures. For this if we take the resonance hybrid, so here the positive charge can be rotating between these two carbons and this is the resonance hybrid of the given molecule. And next one is a conjugation between double bond and conjugation between double bond and lone pair. So here I just take one example, that is CH2 double bond CH single bond chlorine. So at this chlorine we have 7 electrons. In the 7 electrons, 1 electron can be participated in the formation of covalent bond or sigma bond. So when these lone pair electrons are shifting towards here as a pi electrons, in that situation these pi electrons shifting towards this carbon as a lone pair electrons, then we get the resulting structure like CH2 CH double bond Cl. Here chlorine get the positive charge and here carbon get the partial negative charge. Here get negative charge. Here carbon get the negative charge. Here chlorine get the positive charge. And the resonance hybrid of these compounds will be present like this is resonance hybrid. Here we get partial positive. Here we get partial negative. So this is second type of conjugation. And next conjugation is conjugation between double bond and negative charge. What is conjugation? Conjugation between double bond and negative charge. Here I just take one example. It is similar to positive charge. CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 minus. So when these lone pair electrons are shifting as a pi electrons towards here, these pi electrons are shifting towards the carbon as a lone pair electrons. So resulting structure we get CH2 minus CH double bond CH2. These two are the resulting structures, and for this the resonance hybrid will be present like partial negative charge, partial negative charge. So this is a indication of resonance hybrid. And next conjugation between double bond with odd electron, free radical. Conjugation between double bond and odd electrons. Conjugation between double bond and odd electrons. Okay. For this, CH2 double bond, CH, CH2, free radical. So the dot representation of free radical. So in that situation, when these pi electrons are shifting towards to here as a pi electrons, and these odd electrons shifted towards to this carbon, then we get the structure like, sorry, this is CH. So, and for this, the resonating structure present like, this is the resonance hybrid. And last type of conjugate system, that is a conjugation between a double bond and double bond. What is conjugation between a double bond and double bond. Okay, so for this, CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. So when these pi electrons are shifting towards here and these pi electrons shifting towards here as a lone pair electrons, resulting we get, so for this carbon electron can be lost, so we get positive charge. Here we get double bond, and here we get these pi electrons are shifting as a lone pair electrons toward this carbon, it gains the negative charge. So these two are the resonating structures, and for this the resonance hybrid will be present like, so this is the resonance hybrid. So there are the some few examples for few models for conjugate systems. Okay, students, this is about resonance and resonance energy. If you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos. In the next video, we are discussing about stability of resonance structures. Thank you.